This is what happens to your body when you drink Moringa every day. Being a great source of vitamins, proteins, and minerals, Moringa can provide a number of notable blessings for our body. It has a rich content of vitamin A, B1, B2, B3, B6, C, and folate. Moreover, it is packed with magnesium, zinc, phosphorus, calcium, iron, and potassium. As you can see, it has a rich nutrient value and can offer plenty of health benefits. All you have to do is drink Moringa every day, and you will experience its incredible benefits. Health benefits of Moringa. 1. Improves kidney function. Moringa possesses potent diuretic and detoxifying properties which help in resolving urinary tract infections and improving kidney function. It is usually used inside the remedy of kidney stones due to its ability to flush out excess calcium from the kidneys. By flushing the stones out, it also reduces the related pain and infection. 2. Protects the liver. Moringa contains phytochemicals like catechin, epicatechin, and ferulic acid, all of which are extremely beneficial in shielding the liver. They help in repairing the degrees of glutathione content material and prevent radiation. Many studies showed that Moringa leaves can effectively treat liver damage caused by anti-tubercular pills. 3. Prevents neurodegenerative illnesses. Moringa leaves have the ability to alter mind monoamines like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. Moreover, they can protect the brain from deficiencies which are associated with Alzheimer's. 4. Affords amazing dietary assist. Moringa is a great source of vitamins. In fact, Moringa has 17 times more calcium in comparison with milk, 25 times more iron compared to spinach, and 10 instances more beta-carotene than in carrots. Moreover, it is rich in minerals like potassium, iron, zinc, and vitamin C and B complex vitamins. 5. Helps with diabetes. It is significantly beneficial for treating diabetes mellitus. Many studies that examined the effects of Moringa showed that it can reduce urine sugar, blood glucose, and urine proteins. What is more, it was shown that Moringa caused development in hemoglobin levels and total protein content material in the case of diabetes. 6. Treatment options: stomach disorders. Moringa contains isothiocyanates that can effectively treat stomach problems like gastritis, constipation, and ulcerative colitis. Many studies showed that Moringa can provide better results than most of the conventional medications. It possesses potent antibiotic and antibacterial properties that can prevent the growth of various pathogens. It can fight Helicobacter pylori bacteria and coliform microorganism that can cause diarrhea. 7. Stimulates hair growth. Being a great source of zinc, vitamins A and E, and amino acids needed for the production of keratin, Moringa can be used as an effective and natural hair tonic. Most of the hair care products encompass ban oil. This oil, sweet in flavor and mild in texture, is extracted from the seeds of Moringa. It has the ability to enhance blood stream to the scalp and activate hair growth. You can also obtain the equal benefits by using Moringa supplements. They supply the minerals and B-complicated nutrients essential for hair growth. 8. Protects the heart. Moringa extracts are packed with antioxidants that have the ability to prevent myocardial and cardiac damage. Many recent studies proved the antiperoxidative and cardiodefensive effects of Moringa remedy. This remedy can inhibit the boom in lipid peroxidation inside the myocardial tissue. If you can't tolerate the taste of Moringa, you can neutralize it. Mix half of a teaspoon of Moringa, 1 teaspoon of honey, a squeeze of lemon and some water. Make sure to stir well and drink it immediately.